Hi guys, look at my chayote plant. After 2 days, this is now. In my in my area is not cold area. In the morning, approximately 18 to 33 degrees Celsius. So I don't know if this chayote can make a fruits, but usually in my different kinds of past planting, my chayote is not producing fruits. And the reason I planted in my area to because the sign of this and leaves of this chayote is young leaves are edible, so it is doable to add in your viand and to taste it like pichay or string beans. I sorry, five fingers. So that's why I planted this chayote plant. So this rusty screen, I use this as a pest protector, like example rats or anything, because chayote plant is part of the diet of different kind of pests, so that's why I care it. So after how many days the stem will grow, so it is safe for my chayote. And this is for my today's video. Thank you for watching.